What's up, YouTube? Just gonna show you my little invention here today. I've had it out in the sun for a couple days, and unfortunately it's warped and stuff, but still usable. So this is my second iteration of this design, and the first one had a 775 motor, but this one has a little bit bigger motor. It's like an 885 or something, and it runs on 12 volts supplied by that battery right there. And this is all a new design, so I didn't know if it would work or not, but it pretty much sucks all the foam you can shred in it. It sucks it up in here and goes in here. I got a little Dyson to give me the vacuum, and I can control the speed right here. So I'm just going to shred up some of this styrofoam and see what's going on. I'm just going to show the foam splinter that I designed. It just uses this motor right here and the shaft, spins the shaft, and on the shaft you have the rotor. So let's show that real quick. This is the rotor I designed. It worked pretty well, I guess. This is the second design I've made based on this foam shredder thing, and this one was pretty good. The last one I put nails in between the things, but these were a lot smaller. But I put nails in, and that worked pretty well. It actually probably worked a little bit better than this, but it doesn't hurt anything to print these off. The flange right here holds it on to the axle. This design was just trying to find something that really works. Now that I know that this works, I'll probably do a different thing because I have a laser cutter, and I'm thinking I'll just laser cut the housing here and have a wholly different setup to hold the motor. the motor. Where'd that go? Anyways, oh, this is it really. This holds the motor. I don't know where the motor went. Oh, there it is. Um, it doesn't really work to hold the motor too well. So I was gonna do something different because uh, I was gonna make a little box that goes under here to hold the Arduino and the motor controller and switches and stuff. For I was gonna make a little laser cut box, put it down here, and then have some of these parts 3D printed. I can just attach the 3D print straight up to the laser cut box. It's pretty simple. It works really well too. Um, but this was a favorite thing I did. I had some stuff I was gonna make a coat for my dog, but I didn't quite get around to it. But I still had this reflective material, plastic reflective material. So I used that, and it worked pretty well. It didn't quite get cut out right, as you saw in the video, but I'll probably find some kind of material that's actually suited to do this kind of thing. But this actually worked really well to hold in the foam. And then this part, I threw this part together. This isn't even made right. The hole is supposed to be up here, but I put it back here for some reason. And I see the housing is in two parts. I did this this housing. I made it in just one little layer, and it was really flimsy. And I guess the heat got to it because it was black and made it deformed. And now I gotta build another one. But as soon as somebody buys one, or I need to make another one to build my house, which will be in a couple months, I go ahead and design a whole new one based on this setup. This is really just a test to make sure I got the right stuff to make a good one. And if anybody wants to buy one, they can find it on my website. I'll have a link down on the description. All right.